Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare EAA Windicator 357 versus Taurus 605 full comparison. Follow along as we break down specs, ergonomics, reliability, and range performance without bias. I'll describe build quality, weight, and sight options while noting trigger characteristics and cylinder capacity. I'll summarize recoil impressions and accuracy tendencies after real-world shooting, then highlight maintenance and parts considerations so you can choose confidently. I'll walk you through how each revolver feels in the hand and how that affects shooting comfort. The Windicator tends to feel heavier and more stable, while the Taurus is easier to carry and quicker to shoulder. I'll point out grip texturing, trigger reach, and sight types so you understand how design choices influence accuracy. Consider how each gun fits your hand before purchasing. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so we can keep making useful comparisons. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They're handy for taking snacks on the go after a range session. Check the description for the link and other deals I've listed to support the channel. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Let's look at how both pistols perform on the range under normal shooting conditions. Expect the heavier revolver to absorb recoil better, while the lighter model is snappier but still controllable for short strings. I'll discuss trigger pull weight, lockup feel, and how consistent cylinder timing affects groups. Reliability notes include feeding, extraction tendencies, and what to watch for during routine maintenance to keep them running well.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.